Start, madam. Just say something about English.
So hello.
नहीं एकदम ऐसे नहीं रहना बस वो खड़ा नहीं हो जाएगा इतना प्रॉब्लम सर हेलो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन
Hello ladies and gentlemen. Today
नहीं हेलो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन नहीं थोड़ा सा एकदम कंफर्टेबल हो जाओगे
Hello ladies and gentlemen. Today my topic is English.
कौन बोलो जैसे जगह एक्साइटमेंट होनी चाहिए
Okay.
हेलो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन टुडे माय टॉपिक इज इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज
Hello ladies and gentlemen. Today my topic is importance of English. So why is English is important? Because we know English is very necessary to everyone. And we
You're making
communicate.
topic complicated. Why are you going through this? You need to speak clearly, transparently. You don't need to make your topic like complexity. You speak, hello ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to talk about the importance of English language as a very powerful language in the world. First one is interviews. Now many of us who are learning English language because of we want to create interview. We want to become a public speaker. We want to become a public translator. So you'll have to learn English language. Because English is the most powerful language in the world. शुरू में जब कॉम्प्लेक्स तरीके का टॉपिक बोलने का ये होता है कि शुरू में हम अच्छी चीजें बोले वो जिसमें हम ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल है बोलने के लिए बाद में हम मुश्किल ट्राई करते हैं ताकि हमें ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम ना आए क्योंकि शुरू की चीजें ज्यादा बेटर होनी चाहिए जब स्टार्ट करो ताकि शुरू में आपको कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ने लग जाए जब कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ जाता है तो हम कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं लेकिन शुरू में हम फंसने लगेंगे वर्ड सेंटेंस बोलने में तो हमारी कॉन्फिडेंस डाउन होने लग जाता है तो फिर उसके बाद से आपको बाकी चीजें और बोलने में कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आएगा जो आसान होगा वो और कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाएगा तो एक बार स्टार्ट करिए
So hello ladies and gentlemen. Today my topic is importance of English. English is very necessary to everyone because we know English is very important to
ये
everyone.
हाथ छोड़ के थोड़ा समझाओगे ना तो बॉडी में पावर आता है
When we communicate with others person, so we will improve our confidence and also body language. So English is very necessary because if we talk to others, they will impress within a minute, and they will give respect, and they will understand us better.
Once again, we are going to start. Firstly, we need to take a deep breath. We need to get relaxed. We need to get relaxed and calm. Just keep yourself in peace. Don't get confused. Don't get complex. Don't get complicated. Just be perfect. Get motivated. Be confident. And take a deep breath and then start speaking.
जरूरी है कि
You need to speak clearly, madam. Take a deep breath and be calm, cool, happy, excited and start speaking once again.
Hello ladies and gentlemen. Today my topic is importance of English. English is very necessary to everyone because we
Nice.
know about the important English in our life.
Nice.
If we want to crack any interviews and we get a better job for ourselves, so this is a mandatory to
एक साथ हो this is mandatory.
this is the mandatory to English.
This
Because
is English is mandatory there.
English is mandatory there because there are lots of meetings and also lots of clients. So we communicate with others, clients and meetings. So like this, English is important. And I want to share a second point. If we want to abroad,
You
like
want to go
if
abroad.
we want to go abroad and any city, there are 25 countries are adopted English language.
Have adopted it
Have adopted English
as official language.
it as official language. They don't know Hindi and they communicate with others in English. If you go to
So
foreign, there
we'll have to
you
communicate
have
with
to
them.
communicate with them, and also their child also is speaking in English language.
Everyone is speaking.
Everyone speaks in English.
You cannot utter a single sentence in Hindi language because they don't understand your Hindi. बोलो
You can't people,
you can't speak in Hindi.
you can't speak in Hindi because they don't know Hindi language.
Nice.
And what the third thing is,
You will have to speak in English language with them because everyone knows English or their mother tongues.
you have to English because
You
they,
have to English work, huh? You have to speak in English.
you have to speak English because the countries has English is official language, and
ये तो tough sentence हो गया because they only speak English or their mother tongue.
because they
Speak only English
only English because this is a mother tongue.
because their English is their mother tongue.
English is their mother tongue.
Hmm.
And there are lots of countries their mother tongue like German, Chinese, and Russian. There are lots of language in world, but we can't speak.
You can't learn all languages.
We can't learn all language. So English is our.
But if you once learn English,
If you want to learn,
if you once learn English,
if you once learn English, so you can communicate with others and you
With
those people, and you can't express feeling.
you can express
You
your feelings
can express feeling and emotion in front of others,
in front of them.
in front of them.
Hmm. My second point is
If you communicate with others, so they will be judge your
they
communication.
will judge your communication.
They will judge your communication and confidence and also attraction. If you are communicate and
If you
if
communicate,
you communicate with others, they will be judging within a
they will judge
they will judge within a minute like confidence,
communication,
communication skills,
body language.
but also body language. Because there are lots of people who want to speak English and who want to hire skills.
They want to hire those
They want to hire those
who speak
who
English
speak good English and good have skills
and having good skills.
and good having skills.
Hmm.
And if you have both required fulfill, so you will be hired.
You will be hired.
You will be hired.
Okay, ma'am, that's great. Thank you so much for being the part of my
Thank you.
whole journey.